Chuck, you say you want to be on camera, pa?
Boy,
how
late
you feel?
night, man. Late night adventures. Just got done hard night. Hard night, man. Trying to drop the truck, man.
Now look at us.
We did it.
Look at us. Fat Boy Bands.
Yes, sir.
This is the president of Quality Creations. It's a reveal. Old, the new. So this is gonna be it. This is what I'm coming to Opie with. I'm still gonna have more shit on the way. Let's believe that. But yeah, got the lift on. It's got a 6-inch fab tech on that bitch. Painted that hole. I got 26 by 14s on 37s. Scrubbing like a motherfucker. I had to cut it. Huh? Oh, go live?
My camera fucked up on my phone. Yeah.
You wanted to record and shit? Just go around, just talk.
It ain't nothing up there. It's black.
I know. You gotta touch screen.
Oh shit. Alright, shit. Alright. Yes, sir. Here. What the hell you jumping from? Turn it down. Turn the radio down. Damn, I got a whole hole in my fucking sock. A whole hole in my... Let me tuck that shit. Hey, I had a whole hole in my shit. You a really man, like, look at you. Hey. Hey, what that goddamn... Hey.
Who got brush slide?
Hey, we on the rise for real. Shit busting, everything
You
busting.
ain't with us, don't try to join us now. Bitch, you about to be shit for no.
Yes, sir.
For real. Tell them boy pull out.
Cuz, so you gotta touch the screen on that motherfucker. I done forgot how to...
Hey, y'all got the LED. I gotta get LEDs. I'm saying, right. Yeah. Why not? What you trying to get out? We can do it. What I need to buy?
What you say you want, what?
Man, we about to change the lights up, man. Yeah, man, you feel me?
What you want, though?
I need some halos.
What you want me to buy? What you need to buy? Halos?
Halos. Halo. Halo. Hey, halo.
No way. Oh, no way he did. Oh, lordy, Lord. Hey. Hey, you tweaking, man. What you doing?
Be a model. Get in the wheel, Chuck.
Tevin said get in the wheel.
I seen that earlier.
See where the girl had them.
Yeah, they was rolling them around.
Man, I can't even see me. How can I make it where I can see me? I can't see me.
You just got it down. Envision it.
That man said, my buddy said he gotta visit that motherfucker, man. I don't even know he gave me this thing.
Hell yeah. You gotta learn how to do it.
Hey, I'm just talking shit, man. You know I ain't never had shit, man. You know I ain't never had shit, dog. Man, you good. What the fuck did you just say? Lumberton? Nigga, you live in Stanville. Oh.
And my pipe. I ain't really worried about the pipe, though.
Man.
You, Marquis, you at least need something good.
That's why I'm.
Damn.
That's what I'm doing tomorrow.
Damn.
He got that 6.4 up in there.
Damn, a hole in my
He
sock.
got that 6.4 up in there.
That's a goddamn
A dirt.
Right.
What you got in there? Fucking coming?
We all got
Yeah, it's diesel swap. You hear the turbo? That's why it's quiet. It's
Hey there,
crazy.
Pablo. Hey. Hey, Pablo. See that there black bow tie right there? Give you 15 extra horsepower, baby.
That
Don't
shit
start
came
that shit.
Show that.
Don't.
Show that right there.
Don't.
Look up in the grill real quick.
Don't.
Look up in the look. Look.
Hey, don't. What you trying to show, man? Don't do that shit. Man, 28 by 32.
2 days of
On
modern
40.
Yeah.
Buzzing.
That shit still a cut you, cuz. Alright, I'm bleeding.
Chill out, man. I don't want even, shit, I ain't even gonna show him. I ain't even gonna show him.
Yeah, I'm deserved it.
Yeah, you see that red lift in there? My man's did his thing on it.
Backyard bit.
Indeed. What the sticker say? What it say? What it say? What that hoe say? What do it say? I was just talking about shit, man. Oh, he done hot on there.
Be on that bitch from Dopey.
Yeah. Hey, that's the thumbnail right there.
Huh?
You in the back of the truck?
Yeah.
Thumbnail.
Finally.
Tell Jenkins to come do the thumbnail. I'm gonna be on the tire.
Who? Oh. You know, I'm gonna have my shirt off with Corona and a blunt, chilling, lay down on the backside.
Damn, bitch, I got a stool.
Or what?
A stool. Yeah, y'all reps can't do that.
Nigga, fuck you.
Reps
I got better gas mileage than you.
Fuck you. I gotta feel
That bit hard. Yeah, you heard what you said. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Now might as well let the boys know we're going to have a meet at the party gas station.
Man, tell them boys pull up, whoever they is.
Yo, hold up.
Them boys got them boys 200 miles away. Listen, I'll be there about 2 o'clock.
Alright, sorry for leaving you guys in the dark so much. If you can hear the air is blasting, I'm not turning it off because it's hot as a motherfucker. But yeah, so the truck is almost done. I'm in it right now. I ended up I dropped the truck off originally to tighten up some things on the lift, and the tie rods needed to be replaced once I got it to the shop, so I had to leave it there for about a week. And then I came and picked it up yesterday. The only thing that wasn't done on it was the exhaust, and I just said, fuck it, it's been long enough, I'll just go ahead and grab it, pay for whatever I got done, and then just bring it back on. And I can always get the exhaust done. I'm thinking about taking it tomorrow and just sitting there waiting on it to get done. But I'll show you around again. I got some clips from last night. Me and the homeboys, we were at the store and we were just taking pictures and shit. We were trying to get Chuck's fucking truck squatted, and we had a little technical difficulties with that, but shit, you know, we'll go ahead and get back into the action and stop the talking. We'll go ahead and get into the video. So we'll go ahead and run the clips. This is the intro. So right now I'm sitting on Hardcore Off-Road. I think they're the HC15s or some shit like that. 26x14s with Road 1 Atheon 13.5 26. Nothing really changed on the exterior. A lot of people ask me if I'm scrubbing. I mean, you can see obviously right here I have a lot of space, and then here I have a lot of space with the reps. The reps were a little different, but that was because I had Gladiator, so that could have been the case. She's wide as a motherfucker. I got a 2-inch spacer on it, and she is even all around for sure. But like I said, there's really no rubbing in the back. I can really take the spacer out and honestly run it pretty well. As far as the front, of course, I have the rubbing here in the back, and really that's it now. I mean, I've cut the front bumper. I gotta kind of get the burrs and shit off. What up, boys and girls? Oh damn, that was hot. That's hot as fuck. It's hot outside. So back today, and it's a big day. It's our meet day. So we're out here now at the decal place. We're about to get some stuff made in preparation for the meet. So yeah, this is just gonna be a Myrtle Beach Nationals pre-meet, just for like us to get out there and kind of do something before the, you know, everybody rides out to the beach next weekend. Thugging shit all day. Taking his off so he can get a better one. I'm just chilling. If he got a chrome one, I'm gonna get it, but if not, it's alright. Look at this shit, boys. Fucking semi trucks knocking rocks and shit, cracking my shit, so I gotta get that fixed. But yeah, I got the exhaust done. I got the fucking exhaust man screwed me, man. But I got 6-inch tips. I got true duals all the way back. So right now it's no cats, true duals to 6-inch tip, and this shit is way too loud. But I mean, at the end of the day, fuck it. We're sending it for Nopi, boys. Yes, sir.
Homeboy said he's got blue, red, and machine gray for the fucking
For the what?
the vinyl.
Who, damn?
The
Machine gray look good? Is that what that is?
The fuck you mean is that what that is?
No, that's chrome, cuz.
Yeah, I thought that was chrome.
So what's happening? We here for the meet, getting ready. Trying to get this shit off. Smoking them goddamn cigarettes.
You already know, old man. Can't tell you how many kids I got though. That ain't meant for the public.
Got his bow tie and shit matched. Mirrors too. So we in the game. Waiting for Fat Boy.
Fat boy band.
Waiting on him to come through. It's almost 7 o'clock. Yeah. I like that chrome grill shit.
I promise I don't remember your shit being black. I thought it always looked like that.
No. It'll make it look hard.
Damn, I wish I knew what it looked like. I think I know, when we was over
It's
there,
on my Instagram.
when we was at Walmart, I seen a gray one and it was black.
Yeah.
I was like, damn, that's probably what it used to look like.
That ain't bad. And then I got the spiked lugs on this bitch now. So we all in business. A little scrub still, but you know, fuck it.
Oh man, we couldn't get them beat down.
Oh yeah.
Ay. Oh, bang.
Hey, yo, Pluto, you going brazen?
Every time I drink that water, I get in my feelings. Yeah, I just want that 720S, no ceiling. And I've been working hard, baby, need a couple millions. And every time I drink that water, I get in my feelings. And I just want that 720S, no ceiling. And I've been working hard, baby, need a couple million. Yeah, I've been working hard, baby, need a couple million. And when I hear that walk, baby, I get in my feelings. Yeah, I just want that 720S, no ceiling. And I've been working hard, baby, need a couple million. Yeah, I've been working hard, baby, need a couple million.
Wash my hands with alcohol, cause I don't want corona. Window shopping for these bitches, I don't really want them. My heart be solid as a rock, I used to be a stoner. That nigga ever catch me slipping, he gon' be a goner. Wish I can call Charles up, cause I can't see why. Money in my pocket, shit rip up my Levi's. When I was broken, couldn't afford it, rockin' felines. She say she a virgin, so I took that bitch to.
So we all deep out here now. We about to shut the car wash. We're shutting parking down. Yes, sir. And the new addition. My old wheels on a round body. Clean paint, all that.
They gonna be good, man.
Yeah, that bitch hard.
Yeah, cause I had thought he was
Chrome on the toe mirrors. Okay. My man Zay's done.
Leontay, say baby.
Right.
Thyself.
Hope this meet big,
Damn, it's
man.
7:30.
I know. We supposed to be on the road.
Well, 7:30. We got an
All out
hour.
here. Yes, sir. We about to hit the road. Then we'll be good to go. sir. Alright, so we here. We had to meet. It's hot. Listen to them. We deep out here. Where the fuck is... Oh, he going to the store? Alright, you want to walk around? Let's walk around. So we skating. It's a lot of niggas, man. So what's up, man? So I'm back, and it was a long night last night. The meet, you know, it was dope. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just now about to go my ass home, bro. Like, it was cool. It had a good turnout, you know, compared to other meets and shit like that we've kind of organized. So hopefully we can keep doing that. We ain't have too many problems. The police we had permission to be out there from what I was told. So yeah, that'll definitely be the meet spot for now. We do plan on going to Fayetteville and possibly having meets down there as well. So we'll definitely knock that out, and we'll be good to go. But I'm definitely solid on that. You know, I like how it turned out. We had people from pretty much everywhere coming through. So we're gonna keep that same energy everywhere we go. And you know, Quality Creations, we are going to rock shit when we come to Nope next Friday, you hear me? So shit, I appreciate you guys for watching, man. I know this video is probably any and every fucking where. I mean, I've had the camera any and everywhere. I mean, the meet, I showed you all the trucks and shit. Like I said, man, appreciate you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you guys next week at Nope. Don't be afraid to hit me up, fucking say what's up, take pictures, send me all the videos that you get of me, man. And yeah, man, I'll repost them and everything. And I'll definitely have a Nope movie coming out. I promise you. This time, I'm going to have somebody filming for me, and we're going to have a Nope movie. So, without further ado, I'll check you guys out. Please like, share, subscribe, all that shit. Help me out, support me. And, yeah, till next time, boys. Yeah, yeah!